Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here today. So here we have a Walmart haul, but this is a Dove collaboration with Crumbl cookies haul. And I made sure that I ordered, I believe, every single one of the body washes, and I don't know exactly what else. This came in a little, I think, was it the day after Christmas? So I'm gonna open this box up and let's see what we have in here. I have some water bottles that I just picked. If you heard that, let me move them out of the way. Give me one second. Okay, so now that I moved the water bottle out of the way and open the box, or yeah, let's get in here. And we have all this bubble wrap. Look at how pretty it looks. Oh my gosh. I just love pink. I love this collaboration. The color itself of the packaging sold me, but I am excited to smell each and every single one of these here. Look, strawberry crumb cake. Oh my gosh. I want to take every single one into the shower right now. We have lemon glaze here. Okay, what else do we have? Did I order? I think, is this everything or is there some other stuff? I see I have the hand soaps. I can't remember, guys. And then I have the scrubs. But we have confetti cake. Oh, look at this. How pretty. How pretty. So yeah, and then I have the scrubs, one in each, one of each, one of each. Looks like I got, no, okay, I'm missing one item. I'm missing one deodorant. I don't know which one it is. And because I have two of them. So I'm going to take them all out. We're going to open it up and I'm going to smell them and let you guys know what I think. Let me know if any of you guys have been able to smell these, if you guys have seen them in your store, if you ordered them, how do you like them, and all. So here we have, okay, let's see which of the deodorants I'm missing. So I have lemon glaze, and let me move the box out of the way. Okay, I brought my ring light just so that I can start smelling it for you guys and not put the camera down and everything. So I didn't show you, I think, this confetti cake, if you can see it correctly. Anyways, let me put it right there. But so I am missing in the deodorant the strawberry crumb cake. I gotta look at my order because I thought I ordered it as well, but we will see. Either way, if I go into the store and I really like it, I'm gonna go ahead and order it. Let's go ahead and open up this confetti cake first. And the top portion fell out, but that's okay. It's very light, friends. I do smell like a cakey smell to it, like the breading of the cake, but I feel like I don't smell a lot of sugar. To be honest, it's just okay. Okay, so let me smell this lemon glaze now. Oh my gosh, the lemon glaze I love a lot more. I just feel like that confetti cake, it's not as sugary as I would like it. Oh, this lemon glaze is good. Oh, I can smell the lemon. I can smell the sugar. Oh my gosh, this is good. Okay, so this one I do like a lot more than the confetti cake. I wish I had my strawberry crumb cake. I thought I ordered, but we will see. Let me tell you though, since I decided to bring these to tell you which ones are my favorite right now from Dove, the one I had got frosted plum berry. This one is a favorite, and oh my goodness, I wish they had more of the cinnamon pumpkin pie. I'm almost done with this one. And I missed out from this collection here, limited edition as well. I missed out buying the gingerbread crunch, something like that. Or was it? I think it was called like gingerbread crunch. I don't remember. But I missed out buying that one and I am kicking myself in the butt for it. But these two are my current favorites right now. Love them. I know for a fact I'll keep lemon glaze. I'm not sure if I'll keep confetti because I just feel like it's not enough scent for me. I do like them to smell a lot more. Let's smell this right here. Oh my gosh, this is so ice lemon pound cake. It just gave me that right now. This one reminded me more of ice lemon pound cake more than the deodorant. Definitely a stronger scent. Ooh, feel like I could totally smell the cookie. Ah, almost smelling like that pound cake, basically. That's why. And you can smell the lemon. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to like take a shower right now with this one and shower. No, you know what? This will be my nighttime routine along with the iced lemon pound cake, body cream, and mist. That's what I'm going to do tonight. So let's open this one. Even though like we could have went to the other body scrubs, I want to open up this shower gel because I want to know exactly what it smells like. This tape is pretty strong. So this lemon glazed body wash is smelling a lot lighter, maybe because, you know, I could just kind of squish it and try to like smell it, but it smells lighter than the scrub. I think the scrub is stronger, but I'm gonna love using it together. And I went ahead and went to bring my iced lemon pound cake shower gel. I can definitely smell the shower gel more than this body wash in the iced lemon pound cake. But these would go so good together. So the body care that I have for the iced lemon pound cake, oh my gosh, it's gonna go so good together. I'm very excited about this. So I am loving the full line of this. I just think this is lighter. Let's open up. Let's see. I need to open up strawberry crumb cake. Because the deodorant wasn't strong, I decided to not open up the body scrub for the confetti cake first. We're gonna open up strawberry crumb cake. Let's see, show you how it looks if you guys can see it. Did I show you this one? Like the tint of this one is yellow, so that's good. So lemon color. And then this one is pink, you know, like the strawberries, a lighter pink. This is a lot lighter. Does remind me a little bit of strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works, but strawberry pound cake being a lot stronger than this right here. A lot stronger. This is light, but I do like it, but it's light. It's not super strong. So I guess I would assume that the deodorant probably wouldn't be as strong. So I will see if I even pick that one up. If I can smell it at the store, I'm not going to pick it up if it's too light. Okay, this one here is a lot stronger than the scrub. That's kind of weird how these things go. But this one, as I'm, you know, I kind of just like squish it like that. I don't know if you call it squeeze it, squish it, whatever. I do like this one. It smells so good. Again, I still think strawberry pound cake smells a lot stronger. But it does remind me a bit of it. So if you like strawberry pound cake, if you think strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works is too strong for you and you wanted something lighter, you would like this one, I think. So let's open up. Okay, let's go to this confetti cake right here because it's easier to open due to the tape on the body washes. And again, you get to see the beautiful pink. Let me see. I definitely feel like I smell a cookie type of scent to it. Not as strong. And this one is just okay. I don't hate it. I smell more sweetness and it smells stronger than the deodorant, that's for sure. But I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, I'm not completely in love with it, but I don't hate it either. I can most certainly keep it and see, you know, as I use it in the shower, how I feel about it. But it's not a complete love on first sniff. And that's just first impressions, friends, okay? That doesn't mean I can't, once I start using it in the shower, that I won't fall in love with it. Now, the body wash right here, this smells stronger than either this for this line confetti cake and the deodorant. So I do like the body wash a lot more in this Dove confetti cake. Oh, I like it a lot more. This is sweeter. This is much, much sweeter. And that's one thing I love. If you guys you always hear me talk about sweets and how much I love sweet stuff, sweet candles, anything sweet. Okay, I'm like really loving like Dove body washes. It takes me forever to use them up though, because look, 20 ounces compared to, what is this? I think it's 8. Yeah, I can really see it. 10 ounces. So I go through that's why I'm able to change it up. And I love changing up my stuff and still finishing some. So that's why it's so much easier for me to finish my Bath and Body Works as opposed to the Dove. And I love switching it up. So that is the thing, that I may not be finishing up my Dove, but it's not that I don't use them. It's just that it's so much that I end up, you know, pulling it out of the shower, putting it away, and finishing other stuff that I can change it up. All right, friends, I paused for a little bit. I noticed that my camera, this little holder that I have for it, was going down, and I have no idea if you guys were able to see the other things that I was talking about. So I hope it all comes out okay. And I moved it. So if things look different, that is why. But I moved the hand washes to the front. I kind of was opening them up so I can smell them and talk to you about it. The lemon glaze, I feel like it's my favorite because I do love iced lemon pound cake. And it does smell so good. So like I can smell, I feel like the crumbs of the cookie with the lemon, and it is so good. I don't know if I have any more iced lemon pound cake hand wash from Bath and Body Works, so that is so good that I have this now. And then this one, which confetti cake has not been my favorite. It's light again. I do smell the sweetness. I don't smell a lot of like a crumb cookie, a little bit more sweetness, but it's just, I feel like it's just okay. But I'm pretty sure somebody out there will love it. And then I still can use it up. I'm still going to use it up. And then we have the strawberry crumb cake. Oh yes, I like this one. So now that I'm smelling the hand wash, is actually reminding me a little bit of the strawberry snowflakes as well. But I think it's of the strawberry note. So strawberry pound cake, strawberry snowflakes, a mixture of two of those two from Bath and Body Works. Oh yes. Okay, so I really love this one. So if we're gonna rate them, we're just gonna go like this, and that'll be with the others as well. So we have here lemon glaze #1. Love this scent, but if you guys have been watching all my Bath and Body Works, you know how much I love iced lemon pound cake from Bath and Body Works. And then strawberry pound cake, that's a favorite as well. This is not strawberry pound cake, but like I said, it's like a mixture of the strawberry snowflakes and strawberry pound cake. Love this one as well. And this one is just because I feel like it's light, not as sugary as I would like it, but that's just me. Some of you guys that don't like things to be too sweet, you may really like the confetti cake. So that is what I will say about that one. And I am definitely, I guess, missing out on strawberry crumb cake deodorant. I kind of feel like I would like it because if I want to be, smell like a strawberry, I could put the deodorant and everything else strawberry, and I will love to smell like that. So I'm hoping now that I've heard it's in stores and I've been seeing people's Instagrams, I will go into the store, and if they have it, I'm going to pick it up because I do love Dove deodorants are my favorite. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little haul from Walmart Dove Crumbl cake collaboration. I love that they did this. I'm hoping that they do more collaborations with Crumbl cookie. I actually really like their cookies. I know people say they're expensive, but my kids and I enjoy them. I don't eat a full cookie because it's way too much sweetness. It's just way too much, trust me. But I would love for them to bring more. Bring one with caramel, guys. Like, I love caramel because of the sweetness as I was talking about, and you guys should bring one with that. And it's making me want to go to Crumbl Cookie today, pick up some cookies. I may do that. And until the next one, my friends, I love you guys so much. Please stay blessed. Bye, guys.